Hi, my name is Robert Velez. I'm the Director of Sales for Easescreen. And what I'm going to show you today is how easy it is to make a template using our software. So basically, you can create any type of template where you can divide up the screen. You just drag and drop our widget over to the playlist. And what that will do is it will allow you to create content in any way that you want. You can easily just drag and drop content onto the canvas. It could be a static image, it can be a video. We also have the ability to add different elements. For example, we could add a website, or we could even add an RSS feed. We can add as many things on here as we like, dividing up the screen. And once we're happy with it, we just save it, and it will automatically go to our playlist. And then we just need to hit publish, and that will publish that template that we just created. And we can manipulate it and change it as many times as we want, adding and dropping content. You can all see this and request a demo at www.easescreen.com.